Hi painters, Emma for Global Colours here, and I'm calling all special effect makeup lovers. This is a first for Global Colours. We are bringing out 4 new special effects palettes, and I'm excited to take you on a tour through the palettes one by one. The first palette I'm going to take you through today is our Cover Effects palette. I personally am really excited for this palette. It's made up of 12 incredibly rich, incredibly pigmented colours, and they're all there to simulate different skin tones or tones that you might need for camouflage within skin work. It's a combination of cool tones, warm tones, and also neutral tones. As the name would imply, these pigments are perfect for covering things up. So whether you're covering up skin imperfections, you can cover tattoos, you can cover birthmarks, you can cover bruising, anything that you would need a corrective colour tone for. They're also great when you're trying to simulate a skin colour on something like a prosthetic piece, or where you've designed a casualty look, or you're trying to give highlight or shade or make something that you've created look a little bit more 3D or realistic. Let's have a closer look at all of the colours.
Global Colours Cover Effects is strongly pigmented cream makeup. Highly colour saturated and opaque, it's perfect as a camouflage cream. Like all of our effects palettes, all of the colour tiles are magnetic and replaceable. So first I'll start by swatching our gold undertone colours. Our first shade is Vanilla, which is a light pale cream beige with a golden undertone, great for highlighting or tinting other tones. Then we have Banana, a pale lemon yellow gold, can correct and cover unwanted light purple and grey tones. Then Gold, a rich toned saffron gold, can correct and cover unwanted deep purple and grey tones. And finally Tan, a mid-olive tan with a gold undertone. Next we have our warm undertones. First off we have Pink Beige, a pale cameo pink beige with a rosy undertone which can help colour correct pale blue and grey tones. Then we have Peach, a fair neutral apricot with a pink undertone, great for highlighting and tinting other colours and neutralising unwanted grey or pale blue tones. Then Burnt Orange, a deep toned orange for grey or blue colour correction. And finally Bronze, a deep warm copper bronze, a good darker skin match, useful to contour or to add warmth to a deeper colour palette. And finally we have our neutral colours, which are a beige undertone. First up we have Honey, which is a natural fair beige and it can be good as a fair skin match or for tinting other colours. Then we have Amber, a neutral pale tan, a good medium tone skin match or to neutralise a dull complexion. And finally we have Cocoa, a rich neutral brown tone, and Mahogany, a dark warm chocolate brown, both good darker skin matches, useful to contour or to add warmth to a deeper colour palette. Global Colours Cover Effects is camouflage, strongly pigmented skin tone makeup.
So not only are these palettes cruelty-free and vegan, we've also tried to create them sustainably. So all of these tiles are actually replaceable, which means that if you run out of your favourite shade, rather than having to buy a brand new palette, it's also more cost effective because you can just replace the one tile that you run out of product in. All of the tiles are also magnetic and they're interchangeable with all of the other palettes within the FX range. So if you want to create your own custom or bespoke palette, you can with all of your favourite shades. All of these palettes also have a mixing grid built in. So if you want to try to keep your mixing puddles separate, you can. This is just one of the 4 new amazing special effects palettes that's coming to you from Global Colours. Please check out our next videos and we can take you through the remaining 3. So as I always say, get painting, or maybe I should be saying, get special effects makeup in. Either way, go get creative guys. See you soon, bye.